Hi everybody, and welcome to Tuesday, September 14th. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are finally wrapping up with our TPACK paragraphs. Woo! So for today, you guys are continuing on with your 30-day writing challenge, day 11, and we'll look at that in a moment. We are doing some TPACK editing and some TPACK final drafts. Woo! Reminder, it's going to be due Sunday, September 19th at midnight. Evens today as well, okay? I apologize, it says 2, 3, 5, and 6, but no, it is 2, 4, 6, and 8 for today. Our 30-day writing challenge for today is I am motivated when, or I am motivated by, blank. Okay, you're going to look at TPACK structure again, and then we're going to do some TPACK peer review. For my periods 3, 4 who did not finish, we will be finishing up TPACK peer review. This will be our whole day tomorrow. For my other students, however, you will be working on your TPACK final draft. You will make sure you have an indented paragraph. You will have correct spelling and grammar, correct punctuation, all 5 elements of TPACK, and then submit your final copy. Okay, those are only my classes who are done. Then your checklist for Wednesday will be your post-TPACK reflection, your article annotations, your TPACK rough draft, your TPACK peer review, and your TPACK final draft. So that is going to be our checklist. Our exit ticket is going to be, how does peer review contribute to organizational structure? How does it help us really get there? All right, and I'm going to show you how to get to the final TPACK paragraph practice. It'll be the last one that pops up under TPACK, and it'll give you the steps for those of you working from home. In order to turn in your final TPACK, follow the steps below, watch the daily videos for 9-9 and 9-10, and even today's. You're going to read and annotate the article, what is the role of in-person classes in COVID-19? You're going to create a rough draft of your TPACK paragraph, making sure to include all the elements. You're going to complete the peer review form listed below. That's right down here. That's the second one. Here's the peer review form. Okay? And then you're going to, once you finish your rough draft, peer review, and have edited it, include your final draft in the Google Doc. This is the Google Doc, ladies and gentlemen, okay? This is where you will have your name, your subject, your period, teacher, date, your title, and your paragraph. Okay? So this is where all of this will go. This is what we will be working on tomorrow. As always, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. Email me, and I'm right here for you guys. Other than that, see you guys in class. Bye.